Come on, move Ridiculous. Chill. This is such a bad idea. So many levels. Baby. And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I know you guys love tires. You guys are big tire guys. Well, check this out. We got the R888s for the Nissan. So the entire video, we're talking about tire technology. Pretty exciting. We're back. I know most of you guys clicked away already. We're not talking about tires today. Oscar, where are you going, bud? Hey, get back here. Oscar, he's actually running. The floof is running. Today we're taking delivery of a brand new supercar. It's worth $300,000. It has 32 miles on it. And guess what, guys? I don't own it, and my dog is running. I gotta go. You have no idea how far I just changed this marshmallow. Oh, he's cute, but he's fast. Okay, so we're going to pick up a supercar right now. It's the craziest thing. We're always running late, but today, for some reason, we actually have plenty of time. And it's not that we need to do this, it's that we can. Launch control enabled, mash the brake, mash the throttle, go. This TRX is so crazy, it's like weighs 7,000 pounds. Let's go. I kid you not, of course, the fuel light turns on immediately after launching the TRX. That Wraith is so sick. I'm telling you, like the ultimate daily might be a Rolls Royce Wraith. I have never been so excited to see somebody in my entire life. Nate is back, baby. I gotta tell you a fun fact. So audience retention, specifically in the females, when you're on camera, is through the roof. Like the watch time is uncanny. It's unbelievable.
Why are you lying to him? It's actually way down.
No, it's not. I mean, the female audience is approximately what? 6%? 3%? 6%?
It's probably just my mom, to be honest. Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, and then she just clicks off.
This is such a bad idea on so many levels. Bro, you didn't sign the waiver. I'm telling you, if this guy hurts himself, who's gonna hold the camera for me? Oh wait, I hold it every single day. Okay. Wow, that is absolutely insane. There is a yellow McLaren Senna here. I was not expecting that. That thing is so wicked. I tell you, time and again, I'm always blown away. We were riding around on that silly bike. Luke's acting like an idiot, and the tires are done just like that. Those are some beefy, meaty girls. Oh yes, we got these old garbage tires right here. Yeah, whatever tires these are, don't buy them. This is for my female audience, 50 plus. Enjoy this moment. I can see them typing away. They're so excited. Goodness. All right, so slight change of plans. We were headed north to pick up the new car that I don't own, the $300,000 car. This one has 32 miles on it. We're actually headed now back to the house because the pink Aventador just arrived. It was supposed to arrive this evening, but we just got a text and it's here 6 hours early. So yeah, we're headed that way. So I don't even know what we filmed. We might have been in the TRX. Now we're in the 458. I don't even know. I just know that sound is so good. Now I realize today's video has been a disaster. I'm going to summarize this. We started at the house with a tire vlog. We dropped off the tires at Envision. They finished them in record pace time. We brought them back. We dropped them off the warehouse with the TRX. We hopped in the 458. Now we're back in the neighborhood to pick up the pink Aventador. After we pick up the pink Aventador, we're headed that way to pick up the new car that I don't own. That's $300,000 with 32 miles on it. Yeah. Am I exhausted talking that fast? Absolutely. Is Luke hydrated? Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. And on cue, just like that, welcome back to Home Sweet Home. The Aventador is back in record-breaking time. I think the most ironic thing, I don't know where we're gonna put the pink car because the garage is completely full. I guess you could say, fortunately / unfortunately, I think the Porsche Safari is gonna be dumped in the driveway for the foreseeable future. This is absolutely insane. Like, we just saw this car in New York City, and fast forward what? It's been 3 days. Do you even sleep, dude?
No, I do.
No, you don't. You got... And they said a Liberty Walk Aventador couldn't fit in an 18-wheeler. It is so tight on both sides. Easy there, Luca. Easy. It's so crazy to think that 72 hours ago, we were driving this car in Times Square in New York City, and now she is finally back. Another massive shout out to the Festival del Toro. Wow, she looks so good under the sun. Like I mentioned earlier, I realize Porsche fanboys don't hate me, but it's the pink Lamborghini. Like, we gotta get the keys to the Porsche, and so we can put the car inside. I think I mentioned this a couple of videos ago, so we replaced the starter on the Safari, which means she starts every single time with a little tender love and care. It's a cold start, okay? Cold start, baby, we're back. Now don't worry, the car's only gonna be outside for a couple of hours, then we're gonna take it to the warehouse. Where we're parking at the warehouse, I have absolutely no idea. If that felt chaotic, it was. I'm in absolutely awful shape. I'm sweating profusely. Okay, that was a terrible take. On point. It's just that kind of day. We're now running very late. We were supposed to pick up the car 2 hours ago, and we have a 45-minute drive, so lovely. I'm sorry, Chip, I love you, but we gotta go. Let's go, baby. We might be late, but we can make up time. Dude, that color looks so good. Let's go, baby. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, on time, every time, as I almost just hit that barricade, welcome to GP Motor Company. Now, I gotta reiterate, the car that's behind that door that we're picking up today, it is not my car. I do not own this car. We're simply picking it up for a friend. However, that being said, this car, this thick girl, she's mine. Well, we have reached the inner vault here at GP Motor Company. We're looking at the car. It is so sick. So you guys know my buddy Mute Collector. He's in Germany. He's got the NASCAR in my warehouse. He has added another car to his collection that's going to my warehouse, and we're looking at it, and you guys are gonna see it right now. Well, there she is. I don't know how this has happened. This thing is brand spanking new. Like, it has 32 miles on it, which I've mentioned a number of times. So it's a 2021 Nissan GTR Nismo. My warehouse is like 45 miles away, and this car is legit still in its plastic wrap. Like, check this baby out. This thing is untouched. This is gonna be so nerve-wracking driving this thing back.
Smell that?
It smells incredible. I feel so guilty just even sitting in this car. Steering wheel's Alcantara, the dash is full Alcantara. It smells incredible in here. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's go. So crazy. It looks like, oh, it has 40 miles on it. Wow. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know the official name, but it's almost like a liquid silver. And look at the extent of those exhaust tips right there. So it almost kills me with a brand new Nismo. Bro, easy on the throttle. No reverse launch control into that fence, okay?
It would be a great video.
It would be a fantastic video, but remember, we don't own this car. All the carbon fiber on this, the hood is full carbon fiber. We got the carbon fiber roof as well. That thing is wicked. I think in all my years driving cars, this is the most valuable new car I have ever driven. It still has the window sticker. $240,000 for a Nissan GTR. $240K. Did you break the Ferrari?
I can't get the key out.
Oh, great. Well, you know, this is kind of sort of inevitable. It sort of fits the day, right? It's a good thing I'm around here because I'm gonna be able to fix this. No problem. Steering wheel's locked, not a big deal. And bada bing.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Go, baby. All right, we probably should leave. You better not cut that out of the video.
I was trying to get it out. Let's start a
You
car.
look like an idiot, not just me, because every single video I look so dumb, and I am dumb, but you're dumb too. But on camera now they know you're dumb. We're both dumb. We're dumb and dumber. A dynamic duo of dumbness. Why? That was on the spot. That was incredible. Okay, so we are headed that way. And just like that, we are off in the Nismo GTR. Now, I could take all the plastic off. I could take the window sticker off, but it's not my car, and I don't want anything to happen whatsoever. So we are gonna slowly and ever so cautiously drive this thing back. I don't know if this car has a braking period. It doesn't matter. We're not gonna send this car. We're not gonna do launch code. We're not gonna drive 200 miles an hour. We got 600 horsepower. We're not gonna use any of it whatsoever. We have one goal in today's video, and that is to get this car to the warehouse with no tickets and no damage whatsoever. I don't even want to touch the steering wheel on this car because the Alcantara is so fresh, but I have to. I don't have a choice. That perfect looks so good. Go, Luke. Go, 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 go. Yeah, you should go. 100%. Baby. I should not be driving this car right now. I am not worthy. These cars are trading for upwards of $300,000, but more important than that, they're like irreplaceable. These cars, these Nismos, are so rare. The last iteration of the legendary R35 Nissan GTR. I just want to get this car back to the warehouse, tucked safe and sound. I gotta reapply deodorant. I gotta wash my hands. I am sweating everywhere right now, and it is raining. Are you kidding me? It never rains in Utah, of course. Now we're hitting 5 o'clock traffic. Every single one of these vehicles on the road, they're like projectiles, like the potential, the damage these cars could cause right now. Oh goodness, and we now have 64 miles. Why? Why is there so much traffic? Come on, Luke, send it. There we go. Wow. That's why Luke's driving. It's kind of a weird feeling to be sitting in traffic with a window sticker on the side of the car because every passing car on the right-hand side looks over and they see $240,000, and it's not like I'm trying to show off. It's not even my car. I can't remove the sticker because it's not my car. But they don't know that. They think that I'm just like that weirdo driving around with my $240,000 window sticker, which is ironic because if you bought a Nismo for $240,000, you're doing very well because these cars are like skyrocketing in value. This is the last iteration of the Nissan GTR, the R35. I don't know when Nissan's gonna unveil the R36, but definitely count on it. You heard it here first. Right now, we're buying one 100%. If you guys aren't inspired, I don't even know what inspiration is. We have done it. We have made it back in one piece in the Nismo GTR. goodness. My back is legit drenched in sweat right now. That is so disgusting. It's because of the plastic, I promise, okay? I'm not that gross of a person, but we have it right. I have to shout out Mute Collector for trusting me with his brand new Nissan GTR. Luke is shaking his
I don't think he trusts you. You're just the only one that was available.
I know, it's true. I was the only one available, but Strad Storage Solutions coming to Utah sooner than you think. Maybe I should start a car storage place here in the States. That being said, I really want to steal a bunch of pieces off this car and put it on my car. These front louvers are so sick. The carbon fiber hood, that's a full carbon hood with the exposed bit. This carbon wing is so incredibly cool, and I gotta open up that deck lid. I know it seems weird, but trust me, like, one of the coolest features on the Nissan GTR, this rear deck lid is full carbon fiber. Is that not the most beautiful piece ever? We could steal this car, we could put him on my GTR, he's never gonna know. I mean, he'd have a white deck lid, but like, that's not a big deal, right?
Not at all.
No biggie.
Perfect.
Well, we are back at the warehouse. Casey actually stopped by to mount the R888Rs onto the Nissan GTR. I think you guys can tell we have a very, very big issue at play. So the TRX, we can move that out. The problem is, we have the new Nismo GTR, we have the CA Corvette up at Clayton shop, we have the Safari, the 458's back at home, and somehow, some way, we gotta fit all those vehicles here in the warehouse. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Yes, we have done it, boys. I've never breathed such a huge sigh of relief in my entire life. This is what a Nismo Nissan GTR looks like. Oh my God, that is absolutely ridiculous. Chill. This is what the underside looks like. Also, we got carbon ceramic brakes on the GTR. That is so sick. Come on, let's go. Yep. Keep it coming. All right, that's good. This thing looks ridiculous. Unbelievable! Stefan, if you're watching today's video, it's Luke driving, not me. That's Luke, okay? Bye. Well, if you guys love inspirational stories, you must have loved today's video because that was a story of inspiration and survival. We got the GTR Nismo back here to the warehouse. We doubled the miles. We hit a rainstorm. We hit traffic. We sweated a lot, but we made it. Massive shout out to Mute Collector, guys. If you're not following him on Instagram, go follow him on Instagram. His car collection is otherworldly. Someday, one day, we're gonna head out to Germany to film a ton of his cars. But in the meantime, today's video is over. So I have been looking around for Luke everywhere. I assumed he'd be in the break room eating some food, but no, of course, Luke is in here. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
bro, you gotta hold a camera.
Now I'm good.
Cameraman duties are calling.
It's my day off.